What is going on, guys? It is Glyn here. A very quick video to invite you to promote our new launch, 10x Bitcoin Commissions. Now this one goes live on Warrior Plus on Friday the 20th of May. It's going to be a great launch with your help and your support. It's a brand new cloud-based app which allows your tribe, your subscribers, to become affiliates in the crypto affiliate space. And this is something which not many people are doing. Some people are launching crypto-related products, but not really something which helps them become affiliates in the space. This is one of the hottest niches on the planet right now. Everyone's talking about it. Everyone wants to buy Bitcoin. Everyone wants to find out information about how to get involved with crypto. And with your brand new system, with the 10x Bitcoin Commission app, your subscribers will be able to become affiliates and possibly super affiliates, earning massive commissions in this brand new niche. So it'd be awesome if you guys can come on board to help support this brand new launch on the 20th. It is a Friday. It's going to be a great Friday. And if you're on the JV page, you're going to find out everything you need to promote this brand new launch. If you're not there, hit the link or the button around this video. I'm not exactly sure where it's going to be, but you'll be able to find that button. When you're over there, you'll find out details about the launch. You'll be able to get your email swipes, which I urge you to use. And I always urge you to maybe customize them a little bit with the way you talk, because you may talk a little bit different to me with your audience. Also on the JV page, you're going to get your banners, you're going to get images, graphics, more details about the product, details about the funnel, the cash prices on offer, and also link out to the JV document, which you want to refer to during the launch, because sometimes I update the document with new information about what's going on. So if you need anything else to promote this launch, please hit me up at any time. I'm always available on Skype, Facebook, Telegram. Maybe you've got my phone number as well. Please hit me up if you want access as well. Now, with regards to reciprocation, yes, I do my best with reciprocation. I will try to support your launch if it's going to be a fit for my audience, fit for my customers. Of course, I'm going to promote you. Sometimes I can get 100 sales, sometimes 500 sales. Unfortunately, sometimes I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 sales. And sometimes it's not my fault, it's not your fault. It just hasn't worked out right. Sometimes the offer's not a fit. Sometimes it hasn't really converted that well. Sometimes I've not said the right thing to my audience. I don't know what, but it is what it is, right? I try my best, and I will. If you do support me, I can 100% guarantee you that I'm gonna do my best to get as many sales as possible for your launch. So 10x Bitcoin Commissions, it goes live on Friday the 20th of May on Warrior Plus. That's at 10 a.m. guys. It would be awesome to have all of you guys on board. As I always say, with your help, we can have these successful launches. So hopefully you will join us. Hopefully I'll see you on the leaderboard. Any questions, need a document, access, anything else, message me. I'm available at any time, and I will speak to you real soon. Thanks a lot once again, guys.